Hi, my name is Dragana. I've been employed with Essex for 7.5 years, being promoted a year and a half to be a team lead of electrical assembly. My responsibility include training people on disposition service, work orders, also a new production. I went to school to become a fashion designer. I got my degree, but life had a different plan for me. I never imagined to have an honor to work in this kind of industry. It makes me extremely proud. I love my job. I truly love what I do. I call it my passion. I call it my career. My day, it's always busy. I'm constantly running between departments, from the shipping department to the paint department to a quality control department, just to make sure that our product goes back to our customer in a due date. Pilot lives here are in my hands, and I think this is absolutely important, and it's an unbelievable feeling for me.